To fix Prizepicks login not working, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. A slow or unreliable connection can prevent you from logging in successfully. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and restart your router if necessary. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password to ensure they are accurate. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password by clicking the Forgot Password link on the Prizepicks login page. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can also resolve login issues. This is because outdated or corrupted cache and cookies can interfere with the login process. To do this, go to your browser settings and select the option to clear browsing data. Choose the types of data to delete, such as cookies and cached images, and select the time range for which you want to delete the data. Another step is to check if Prizepicks is experiencing any technical issues or maintenance. You can do this by visiting the Prizepicks website or social media pages to see if there are any announcements about downtime or technical problems. Additionally, try using a different browser or device to log in to Prizepicks. This can help you determine if the issue is specific to your browser or device. If you are able to log in using a different browser or device, the problem may be with your original browser or device. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Prizepicks customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to fix the login issue. Be prepared to provide details about the error message you are seeing and the steps you have taken so far to try to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Prizepicks login not working issue and access your account successfully. Remember to always use strong and unique passwords, and keep your browser and device up to date to prevent login issues in the future.